A firefighter is in the hospital tonight with severe injuries, we're told, while working to contain the Little Twist fire just outside of Beaver. Officials handling the Little Twist fire say the firefighter, identified as Daniel Burns by a GoFundMe page, was injured on Sunday. According to that website, a helicopter entered the area to drop water on the fire. It destabilized a standing tree, causing it to fall over and hit Burns. He was flown to a medical facility by a helicopter, and according to GoFundMe, Burns is a first-year Bonneville hotshot. He's also a Marine Corps veteran. The Little Twist fire has spread to nearly 2,400 acres. It is 10% contained tonight.